Hello everyone. The other day I released a video showing how to make a portal using Bezel and Blender, and while it was well received, a lot of people got kind of scared off by Blender. So here is a quick speed run of how to do a AR portal only in Bezel, and it's a lot quicker and maybe a lot simpler for you. So if you like this, let me know with a like, subscribe, and if you don't know how to use Bezel, check out this link up here and let's go. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to Bezel and create a new scene. Add a human to the scene by typing human anywhere. Let's call him Sweet Baby J. Now move Sweet Baby J and rotate him. Create a box and make it the size of a wall. Then create a sphere for the skybox. Make it roughly the size of the wall. Now duplicate the wall and resize it to be thicker. After that, select the sphere and add a boolean subtract. And then we'll ask you what to subtract, so select this thick ass wall. Boom, it's clipped. You can then add a couple walls if you want, but it's not necessary. Add a cylinder and resize it to the size of the portal. Then use the same boolean trick to cut out the hole in your first wall. Boom, cut. Now select the sphere and set your sides or normals to back. Add your skybox from Blockade lab and then switch your material to unlit. After all of that, select your walls and change the materials to occlusion. And with that done, we can add our windowsill. So to do that, just duplicate our first wall and change the material back to standard. Reposition it slightly behind the first wall that's been occluded. Now let's reposition Sweet Baby J inside the portal. Finally, add a camera, set your focal length to 15 millimeters, change the starting point of your environment settings, and change the world opacity to 0. And boom, instant portal. Okay, that was really quick. Let me know if you like this kind of video, short and to the point. Maybe you want me to slow down, let me know. If you should create any portals at all, please share them within the XRD Discord. And if you have any comments what you want me to do next, let me know with a comment down below. Like and subscribe. Until next time, plus minus everyone, take care.